Question 3. Rick, Selma and Tony are playing a game with counters. Rick has some counters. Selma has twice as many counters as Rick. Tony has 6 counters less than Selma. In total they have 54 counters, and the number of counters Rick has to the number of counters Tony has is in the ratio 1 to p. Work out the value of p. So first let's work out how many counters they've got. And so we've got Rick, Selma and Tony. We're told initially that Rick has some counters. Let's let Rick's number of counters be x. Selma then has twice as many, so Selma has 2x lots of counters. Tony has 6 counters less than Selma, so Tony has 2x minus 6. And I know in total they have 54 counters. And so the sum of these equals 54. That is x plus 2x plus 2x, which is 5x, minus 6 is equal to 54. Adding 6 to both sides here, 5x is equal to 60, and dividing by 5, the x number of counters is 12. So Rick has 12, Selma has 24, and Tony has 18. But I'm interested in this value p, which is the ratio of Rick to Tony. So Rick has the 12 counters, Tony has the 2 times 12 take away 6, 18 counters. Now this is not in the ratio 1 to p. In order to get this into the ratio 1 to p, we need to divide both of these numbers by 12. And so it's 1 to 1.5, which means our p-value is 1.5.